Hey everyone, my name is Jason. I'm going to be doing, this is a quick video tutorial on how to edit, or basically how to navigate the back end of our websites. So I'm going to start by, this is going to be primarily used by people who are managing the state pages. So I'm going to start by showing you those. I'm going to go to cosaction.com. And just so you know how to navigate there the normal way, this option for states is going to show up here in the top menu bar, and you can click on that, and then you'll have all the states listed here. You can also just go directly to the URL for your state, and for the purposes of this illustration, I'm going to use the state of Florida. So that is going to be cosaction.com/Florida. So I'm going to cosaction.com/Florida. And that's going to take me to the Florida page. And the layout that you see here is pretty typical for most of our state pages. We've got an introduction here with some videos, the flag, the Florida blog link, and the recruiters link. The normal sidebar there, the action prompt, the share section, and then the team. So that's what we're looking at, and then at the very bottom is the blog. So this is the typical state page layout that you will see. And the way to edit this is you're going to need to make sure that you're logged in. So if in the top right hand corner here where it says my name, Jason, if that is a red sign in button, then you'll need to sign into our main website and into Nation Builder. And then you're going to do the option here for edit this page. Once you're signed in, you can hover over your name and select the option for edit this page. And that's going to take you to the back end of the site. And so the way that this is laid out is that you'll have a page. There's a back end page for each site, or for each page. There's a back end for each page, and each page will have multiple these different tabs. So we've got our dashboard, our settings, our content, subpages, comments. So on our main page, we can go to the comment, or the content section rather. And we can see the two videos that are showing on the main page. So the way that this is probably easiest to edit is just by having one window open that has our state page and the other that has the backend page. So then we can make save changes, and then we can refresh the page that we're updating and be able to follow along with what changes we're making. Sometimes it does take a while for, once you've saved a change, for it to then show up in the site, but it should happen relatively quickly, so within 5 to 15 minutes at the most. There are a few changes that I'll discuss in more detail when we get into some of the advanced things that do take longer to update, but most of the changes that you make you'll be able to see right away. So this is our front page and the back end. So there's also then in this all of the sub pages. So we can do it this way, and we can go through and look at all the subpages, or we could also go to the subpages here. So let's say, for example, we wanted to go to the blog. If we go to the blog, and then again we hover over our name in the top right hand corner and go to edit this page, that's going to take us into the back end for the blog. And so again, you can see that we have multiple tabs. We have the dashboard, the settings, the blog settings, the posts and subpages. And so all these different sections. So this is generally how you'll navigate through the back end. You'll just go through these different sections. You'll see the content. You'll be editing the content or changing the settings. So for example, let's look at the settings just here quick so you can see what it looks like. Publish means that this page is live, and you'd want to keep that way since it's the front page. And you can also see you could adjust whether or not you want the sidebar and the navigation to show up. You've got the headline there, you can change that and edit these different aspects of the page here under the settings. And then some settings actually also have some of the tabs actually have sub tabs as well. So again, like if we're going into sub pages, we can see that we can create a new sub page. We can look at the subpage navigation, and then we have just our list of active pages. We can also look at old pages or scheduled pages. So each section kind of has a lot of sub menus interspersed in there.